Some fights were lost before they ever fired off. Nobody finds rest when at war with themselves. Battles of blindness, plain dull and dim-witted. But earthlings are living lightness. We're beacons for the spirit of sharing. And together we complete the colourful puzzle of peace. We all have a part in the big, bold, brighter picture. Every little body is important. A vision so vivid to wide-open eyes. We do have our differences, but hurrah for that! Nobody who darkens good nature can find their way. But look out for our family, and we all have a place. We shine out for diversity, glow towards truce, as we're all beaming for the spectacular spectrum of life. And we know, beyond the shadow of doubt, that we are all